Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the lesson number 3, that is health and disease. In this lesson we are going to study about the nutrition, health and disease, deficiency disease, communicable and non-communicable disease. What is nutrition? How we can define nutrition? Nutrition is a process by which all living beings receives food necessary to be healthy and to grow. The nutrients rich food is known as nutritious food. There are different kinds of the nutrients present in the food. Right quantity of the nutrients present in the food help us to prevent from the certain diseases. Next is, what is malnutrition? Malnutrition is a condition in which a person do not get required amount of the nutrients in their diet. Certain deficiency diseases occur due to the malnutrition. After nutrition and malnutrition, we are going to study about the disease. What is disease? A disease is a condition where the mind or state of the body is not able to function properly. To the deficiency disease. What are deficiency disease? The disease that caused due to the lack of the balanced diet, which does not require sufficient amount of the nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and mineral, are called deficiency disease. For example, scurvy, anemia, marasmus. We are going to study in detail about this. So first we are talking about anemia. Anemia is due to the lack of vitamin K present in anemia. Less hemoglobin is produced. Hemoglobin is an element in the blood that carries oxygen and iron. It is a red color pigment present in the blood. So anemia leads to the formation of the dark circles around the eyes, pale face, tiredness, loss of appetite, loss of weight are certain symptoms of anemia. How this can be cured or prevented? By eating green leafy vegetables, eggs, cereal, pulses in the diet. Now we are going to talk about another deficiency disease, that is marasmus. This is caused due to the deficiency of the carbohydrate, fats and protein in the diet. A diet that is rich in all these nutrients is essential to recover from the marasmus disease. By eating protein, carbohydrate, fat-rich food, we can overcome this disease. Next deficiency disease is scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to the lack of vitamin C present in the body. It occurs due to the lack of the vitamin C present in the body. It results in swelling and bleeding of the gums and extreme dry skin. It can be cured by eating more citrus fruits like orange, lemon, tomato, etc. Now we will talk about types of disease. There are two types of the disease. First one is communicable disease and another is non-communicable disease. Communicable disease. What is communicable disease? The disease that spread from one person to the another is known as communicable disease. Means the disease which spreads from one living being to another living being is known as communicable disease. For example, coronavirus nowadays from human to human. These communicable diseases are also known as the contagious or infectious disease. It is caused by the germs. These germs can be of various type, bacterial, viral or fungal. There are 4 ways by which communicable disease can be spread through air. As a person sneezes or coughs in the air, the germs release into the air and get into the body, healthy body, transfer to the healthy body. In this way, through air, the disease gets spread. For example, common cold, TB. Next is through food and water. Cholera and typhoids are caused. These diseases are caused due to the eating contaminated, means dirty food. When the insects and flies come in contact with the food item, they leave the germs and we consume that food. In this way, the disease like cholera and typhoid enter in our body. Insect and animal bite. Disease like rabies and plague spread through the animal bite. The female Anopheles mosquito cause malaria. By the bite of the Aedes mosquito, dengue takes place. Here I'll show you the picture of bacteria, viruses and protozoa due to which disease occurs. Communicable disease. Some common communicable disease are common cold, which is caused by the group of the viruses. Pneumonia is caused by the bacteria. Typhoid is also caused due to the bacteria. It is bacterial disease when Salmonella typhi enter into the body through the water. Contaminated water causes typhoid, and typhoid fever, headache takes place. In pneumonia, it affects the respiratory system of the body. In common cold, headache, nausea, cough. But the non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease is the disease which do not spread from one person to the another. In communicable disease, it spreads from one person to another, but in non-communicable disease, it do not spread. Disease do not spread from one person to another. Causes of the non-communicable disease can be like malfunctioning of the any part of the any organ of the body, like liver, kidney, heart. So this is regarded as a non-communicable disease. Lack of the nutrients present in the diet, like carbohydrate, vitamin, something in the diet, it is also regarded as a non-communicable disease because it do not spread from person to person. Next and last topic is prevention of disease. How we can prevent the disease? We can prevent disease by following some steps. Our house should be well ventilated, airy, fumigated. Fumigated means fumigation is a process in which the chemicals or heat is sprayed to kill the insects. Not accumulate stagnant. Stagnant means still, not moving water in our surroundings. We should always drink boiled or filter water. We should carry out the regular fumigation to keep the mosquitoes and pests away. We should cover our mouth while sneezing or coughing. We should avoid eating unhygienic and unhealthy food items. Proper and timely vaccination can help to prevent us from the many diseases like chickenpox. Many scientists like Louis Pasteur created vaccine to prevent cholera and rabies, and Edward Jenner invented the vaccination to prevent chickenpox. One more thing, washing our hand before eating anything with the antibacterial or antifungal soap is very good because it helps us to stay away from the germs and makes us healthy. Discuss some exercise and question answers of this lesson. Okay, exercise, filling in the blanks. The disease that are caused due to the lack of the balanced diet which does not contain sufficient amount of the nutrients are called dash disease. That is deficiency disease. Answer is deficiency disease. That is occur due to the lack of the nutrients present in the diet. In anemia, less dash is produced in the blood. Which pigment? Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the answer. Malaria is spread by the bite of dash mosquito. Which mosquito? Female Anopheles mosquito. Common cold is dash disease. Communicable disease because it spread from one person to another. Next is communicable disease are also called dash or dash disease. Contagious and infectious disease. The other name of the communicable disease are contagious and infectious. Let's come to the question answer. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition is a condition in which the person does not get required amount of the nutrients. It ultimately leads to the deficiency diseases. Next question is, what is disease? A disease is a condition in which a mind or body is not able to function properly. Question number 3, what are the some effects of anemia? Some effects of anemia are formation of the dark circles around the eye, pale face, tiredness, loss of appetite, loss of weight. Question number 4, what are communicable disease? The disease which spread from one person to the another are known as communicable disease. They are also known as the contagious and infectious disease, for example common cold, cough, etc. Next is, what are some causes of non-communicable disease? The causes of some non-communicable disease are that it do not occur from one person to the another. The malfunctioning of the any organ of the body like liver, lung, kidney can be regarded as a non-communicable disease. Lack of the nutrient present in the body like vitamin, carbohydrate, due to which rickets can occur, is regarded as a non-communicable disease. So these are the causes of the non-communicable disease. Now I am going to show you a small video on related to this lesson.
Disease that are caused due to lack of right kind of food in your diet is called deficiency disease. Do deficiency disease spread? No. Deficiency disease is called as non-infectious, or non-communicable disease. Vitamin A is rich in carrot, milk, fruits, vegetables and green leafy vegetables. How does vitamin A helps you? Protect your eyes, keep skin, bones and teeth healthy. Deficiency disease caused by vitamin A is night blindness. Vitamin B1 is rich in milk, fish, meat, cereals. How does vitamin B1 helps you? Proper functioning of nerves and heart. Deficiency disease caused by vitamin B1? Beriberi. Vitamin C is rich in orange, citrus fruits, cabbage, tomatoes, green vegetables. Night. How does vitamin C helps you? Protects many body tissues. Deficiency disease caused by vitamin C? Scurvy. Vitamin D is rich in milk, fish, egg, butter. How does vitamin D helps you? For good bones and teeth. Deficiency disease caused by vitamin D is rickets. Iron is rich in meat, spinach, apples, and raisins. Iron helps you in making red blood cells. Deficiency disease caused by iron is anemia. Calcium is rich in milk, leafy green vegetables. Calcium helps you in strengthens bones and teeth. Deficiency disease of calcium is soft and weak bones, bad teeth. Phosphorus is rich in meat, bread, milk,